Jog on the spot, mastering an essential English phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very interesting English phrase, jog on the spot. This phrase is not only common in everyday conversation but also a great example of how English combines words to create new meanings. Let's unpack it together. Jog on the spot might sound a bit puzzling at first, but it's actually quite straightforward. Jogging is a slow, steady run. The key word here is on the spot. This means staying in one place without moving forward. So, when you jog on the spot, you are running slowly without advancing. This phrase can be used both literally and figuratively. Literally, it's often used in exercise contexts, like warming up before a run. Figuratively, it can describe someone making no progress in a task or situation. For example, he's been jogging on the spot in his career for years. A common mistake learners make is confusing jog on the spot with run on the spot. While similar, run implies a faster pace. Also, don't mix it up with jogging in place. They mean the same, but on the spot is more common in British English. Let's practice. I'll give some sentences, and you try to use jog on the spot appropriately. 1. During the workout, the trainer asked us to blank for a minute. 2. I feel like I'm blank with my current project at work. And that's it for today. We hope this video has cleared up the meaning and usage of jog on the spot. Remember, language learning is a journey, so keep practicing and stay curious. See you in the next video.